Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook goat biryani in a pressure cooker. So I have got 2 lb of goat meat, so let's get started. Got a pressure cooker, turn on the heat, and I'm adding 4 teaspoons of ghee and oil 2 tablespoons. So once the oil is hot, we can add 2 onions and fry the onions until they turn golden brown. Once the onions are fried, now I'm adding 2 green chili, ginger garlic 2 tablespoons, so let it cook for 2 minutes. And now we can add 2 tomatoes, mix it well and let it cook for 5 minutes. So the tomatoes are cooked now, so we can add the goat meat. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, now I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. And then I'm adding chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix them well and let it cook for 2 more minutes. And now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, little turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of biryani masala powder. And I have a separate video on biryani masala powder. I'll provide the video link in the description. And salt. So I'm going to cook 2 cups of rice, so I'm going to add 3 cups of water. And then we can close it with the lid and let it cook for 2 whistles now. So that was the second whistle, so we can turn off the heat now and let the pressure settle down. So it's been a while and the pressure is gone. The meat looks good. Now we can add the rice. So I'm using 2 cups of biryani rice, soaked it in water for 30 minutes. Just turn on the heat. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Just mix them well. And now we can close it with the lid and again cook it for 2 more whistles. So that's the second whistle. Now we can turn off the heat and let the pressure settle down. So it's been a while. Now we can open the lid. It looks good. The biryani has come out very well. And now we can transfer this to a different vessel. So there's our mutton biryani, guys. Little coriander leaves. So please give it a try and thanks for watching.